哥哥应该没事，这就行。给他看看打标吧。
就暂停了。
打标了。
那暂停看一下吧。
看不着。感觉风力有点大。
They couldn't have gone anywhere. When I left Friday, it never crossed my mind really. I never give it a second thought, but I do. There was so much I needed to know. I didn't know. Today, pretty much.
让他切完这个暂停一下。
After I finish this one, pause.
That's what I was saying. I want it all rather than taking the dog away. You on the right side.
看。你的头。
I shall take it through the gaffer. He's the one.
Tell her, Rob.
可以吗？
还可以。
客户是可以。
Right, G got like a knife and a fork.
Yeah, that mate's done.